Hello everyone, and welcome to an English lesson, beginner practice lesson, part 3. My coat is red. My coat is red. The shoes are new. The shoes are new. I like bread. I like bread. The milk is cold. The milk is cold. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. It's windy today. It's windy today. Look at the tree. Look at the tree. The forest is big. The forest is big. I have an umbrella. I have an umbrella. I'm on the sofa. I'm on the sofa. My wife is reading a book. My wife is reading a book. The TV is on. The TV is on. The water is hot. The water is hot. I need a towel. I need a towel. The mirror is clean. The mirror is clean. It's a tall building. It's a tall building. The bus is arriving. The bus is arriving. People walk fast. People walk fast. The clocks are old. The clocks are old. It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Send the message. Send the message. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. I'm very brave. I'm very brave. He is a strong man. He is a strong man. He has blue eyes. He has blue eyes. The bag is heavy. The bag is heavy. I'm sitting by the door. I'm sitting by the door. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. The soup is good. The soup is good. I like pizza. I like pizza. The plate is empty. The plate is empty. It's a small garden. It's a small garden. Birds sing here. Birds sing here. A bird sings here. A bird sings here. We are a family. We are a family. I love music. I love music. Can you dance? Can you dance? The stars are small. The stars are small. It's a dark night. It's a dark night. Shops are open. Shops are open. The cup is small. The cup is small. The table is round. The table is round. The coffee is hot. The coffee is hot. Smile at me. Smile at me. Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Go straight. Go straight. I'm in bed. I'm in bed. The pillow is soft. The pillow is soft. Good night. Thank you for watching. Great job today. Let's keep it up in the next video.